Hi, my name's Dave. I'm the drive lane manager here at Countryside Chrysler, and I'm here to talk to you about wiper blades. How often should wiper blades be replaced? Well, autumn is upon us, and that means weather, whether it might be rain, snow, sleet, or any number of combinations. Are your wiper blades ready? Here at Countryside Chrysler, we have the answer you need. For starters, how often should you replace the wiper blades? Best rule of thumb, at the beginning of spring or autumn. Basically, every 6 months the wiper blades need to be changed. Because of all the things that we find on our windshields, wipers can crack, chip, or even get too dry. These play havoc with keeping the window clean. Good blades will make driving safer. You won't be stuck with one patch that never quite gets wiped clean. What about where you get them replaced? Of course, you can bring your vehicle in to get serviced, but changing a windshield wiper is easy enough. You do it at home, it's cheaper, and it's pretty easy. Choose the correct blade for your make and model. There are two options: a hook connector and a pin connector. For the hook connector, pull the tab where the wiper blades meet the arm, so the blade will slide right off. Slide the new blade right back onto the hook and push the tab back down. A pin connector is a little harder, but not impossible. Pull up on the blade's tab and remove it from the pin on the wiper's arm. Take the new blade and put it next to the pin and push the blade's tab down to lock it into place. Once that's done, you'll have a new wiper blades and you'll be ready for anything. Thanks for watching. See you soon.